In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Chrome extensions. If you've ever wished your browser could do just a little more, like pick colors from any web page, block distractions, or save notes, extensions are the easiest way to add those powers. We'll keep this simple and clear, and by the end, you'll have a new tool installed, pinned, and ready to use. Start by heading to the Chrome Web Store, which is Google's official marketplace for extensions. You can get there by searching for Chrome Web Store, or by typing its web address directly into the address bar. This is the safest place to browse, with thousands of free tools organized by category, popularity, and ratings. Once you're in, look to the top left corner for the search bar. Type what you're looking for. I'll use a color picker as an example, and press enter. From the results, choose the extension that matches your need and click its name to open the details page. Here, take a moment to review the description, screenshots, user ratings, and the number of people who use it. Skim recent reviews and check when it was last updated so you can feel confident you're getting something trustworthy and well-maintained. When you're ready to install, click the blue Add to Chrome button. A pop-up appears explaining what the extension can do and what permissions it needs. Read this carefully so you know how it interacts with your browser. Then click Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it automatically. In a moment, you'll see a confirmation message, and the extension's icon may show up near the top right of your browser. To keep your new tool handy, click the puzzle piece icon in the top right. This opens your extensions menu. Find the one you just installed and click the pin icon next to it. Pinning places the extension's icon right beside the address bar, so it's always visible and just one click away. If the icon doesn't appear immediately, give the page a quick refresh and it should pop into place. From there, click the icon to explore any quick settings or start using the features on your current tab. And that's it. You visited the Chrome Web Store, searched for a tool, added it to Chrome, reviewed the permissions, and pinned it for easy access. Your browser is now smarter and more personalized, and you can repeat the same process anytime you want to add more functionality. Thanks for watching, and enjoy customizing your browsing experience.